in Jamaica, y'all. Dinner was great, y'all. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Chit Chat with Brit. I am Brit, and of course you're going to chat. If y'all did not receive the memo, I am currently in Jamaica. Yes, the island. No queens, just saying. We're on our way to the beach today. I can't even tell y'all the day we are in because I'm not sure when you guys are going to see the vlog. But I just wanted to make the intro for today's vlog. But there's going to be a couple vlogs because for a few days I'll be in the country in Jamaica. And then we're going to the resort. But I'll be back. Later, guys. Waving with his hair. It's a video. I'm on video duty, not picture duty. How nice. Boom bunny, boom bunny. Hey y'all, I'm in the back seat. Oh, I'm lying. This ain't the back seat. I'm in a trunk seat, chilling, suffocating by my boobs. But it is what it is. Or maybe one boob. Get down here, I said. Get in there. Yeah, y'all. We had to make sacrifices. Big Sexy's in the trunk though. Holla at me. Come in real quick. Yeah. It says cheeseburgers and margarine. For a video. Alright, so it's a video. So we're gonna post.
America I'll be whining when the
I'm in Jamaica. Y'all already know. I got on a glass boat today. I did a bunch of stuff today. I was here on the beach, and I mean, it's a vibe. I'm just saying, like, look at the water. Let's take a look at the water. No, I don't want my feet getting wet. I ain't gonna lie, but yes, y'all. So I'm here to chat with Brat, Jamaica 2021. The vibes is good. The pictures is good. The vlogs is good. Make sure you continue to subscribe, like, comment, share my videos. Cause it's about that time. Just having Brit, she's been doing her thing for a minute. It's about that time. I'm just saying. No wig mommy, but vacation's still nice. The vibes is good. All right, y'all. So we did glass boat today. It was really cute. We were supposed to do parasailing, but I chickened out at the last minute. Nothing crazy, but just yeah. So stay tuned for more. Bye, guys. and conditioner. Only know the cries. Oh, hitting that. Hey guys, what time is it? I don't even know the time. Alright, I look crazy. But I'm on my way to Jamaica.
Condoms. What else is in there? Lotion is in there. What else is in there? Here, get a whiff of this. Take a whiff of that. What else is in my bag? Everything I need. The face to wash my face because you know a bitch likes to keep her face clean and keep her face routine going. I don't even know what cake it is. And all that fits in my travel bag. And it's really tiny.
I got kind of mixed up, but you already know. I'll be keeping it.
That's alright.